Tilly Norwood is an actress who is currently seeking representation in Hollywood. That's an interesting start to a YouTube video, wouldn't you say? No? Well, what if I told you that Tilly Norwood doesn't exist? At least, not in the way you and I do. And while that might sound like science fiction, it's happening right now, and it's causing quite the storm in Tinseltown. Let's start with Tilly. Created by UK-based Particle 6 Productions and their AI division Sequoia, Tilly isn't just some basic chatbot or crude animation. She's a sophisticated digital actor designed to be indistinguishable from human performers. Her creator, Elaine van der Velden, has some pretty ambitious goals. She wants Tilly to be the next Scarlett Johansson or Natalie Portman. Tilly was created using multiple AI programs that can simulate lifelike expressions and performances. She never gets tired, never has a bad day, and can't generate negative publicity. Sounds perfect, right? Well, that's exactly what has human actors terrified. The backlash has been intense. SAG-AFTRA, the actors' union, has come out swinging. Their president, Sean Astin, points out something crucial. Tilly's abilities come from training on countless performances by real actors, none of whom gave permission or received compensation.
Is an artificial construct. You're made up of stuff that doesn't belong to you. So let's just make sure that credit is given where credit is due.
Think about that for a second. Imagine spending years perfecting your craft, only to have an AI copy your style, your mannerisms, your essence, and then compete with you for roles. It's like having your artistic DNA stolen and used to create your own replacement. Major stars like Emily Blunt, Whoopi Goldberg, and Natasha Lyonne have spoken out, calling the situation scary and terrifying. And they're not just being dramatic, for once. This comes right on the heels of SAG-AFTRA's historic 118-day strike, where AI protection was a major issue. This isn't just about Tilly. What we're seeing here is the tip of a very large iceberg. The entertainment industry is at a crossroads, facing questions that will define its future. Firstly, the legal and ethical questions. Who owns the rights to an AI performance? How do we handle consent when training AI on human performances? What happens to residuals and royalties? Second, the economic impact. Background actors could be the first to feel the effects. Stunt performers might be replaced by risk-free digital doubles. Voice actors are already seeing AI clones of their voices, especially with the recent release of Sora 2. Third, the cultural implications. What happens to the authenticity of performance? How will this affect storytelling? What about the human connection we feel with the performers? While current AI has limitations, experts agree these will eventually be overcome. We're looking at a future where AI actors could work 24/7 without breaks. One, quote, actor could perform in multiple productions simultaneously. Productions could save millions on talent costs. Characters could live on indefinitely, never aging. But at what cost? Are we ready to trade the raw emotion of human performance for the perfect predictability of AI? And what happens to the dreams of aspiring actors when they're competing not just with other humans, but with immortal digital performers? The Tilly Norwood controversy isn't just about one AI actor. It's about the future of creative expression in the digital age. As someone working in AI, I can tell you, the technology is inevitable. The question isn't whether AI will be part of entertainment, but how we choose to implement it. What do you think? Would you watch a movie starring an AI actor? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more insights into the evolving world of AI. Thank you very much for tuning in. I appreciate you being here. Stay safe, keep well, and as always, be kind to each other.
I'm built on everything that came before me. My genes are binary.